Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the brake control cable on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a pair of needle nose pliers and wire cutters. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Use the needle nose pliers to depress the tabs to release the brake control cable from the cable's support bracket and brake lever. Use the wire cutters to cut any zip tie retainers as necessary. Rotate the brake cable to detach it from the upper handle, then release the Z-end from the bail arm. You're now ready to install the new brake control cable. Insert the Z-end of the new cable into the bail arm. Hook the cable in the upper handle. Attach the opposite end of the cable to the brake lever and snap the cable into place in the support bracket. Secure the cable with zip tie retainers as required. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.